Welcome one and all to 114 West Cross Lane in SA3. The property behind me is a substantial detached property with sea views as well. If it's something of interest and you're looking in this area, I'd highly recommend you come and see this one. Take a look for yourself, enjoy the tour. I'm sure you'll agree it's a fantastic opportunity for somebody looking to put their footprint in this area. If you like what you see, please drop us a line, drop us a message. I'll be delighted to have a conversation with you. I'm Dav Spear, it's my latest SA3 listing, and I'll see you soon.